Welcome to the Jeremiah Patterson Show. I'm Jeremiah Patterson. And in the New York Times article, How to Protect Yourself and Prepare for the Coronavirus, I learned and comprehended basic and essential information. It was only last week that the World Health Organization declared the coronavirus a pandemic. The coronavirus has become an intimidating factor in most people's lives. According to the New York Times, elder Americans with respiratory illnesses are the most vulnerable to contracting this disease. We must also not panic during this global crisis, because every nation is having to grapple with this. I read in the article that Americans should consider staying home. This, in a way, is noticeably called social distancing. At this time, we should be avoiding public transportation and reducing non-essential travel. This is time to work from home and not attend social gatherings, which may include restaurants, gyms, schools, and many other places. Another thing that is currently transpiring is inconsistent testing in the United States. So people should consider visiting the CDC's website to find out what to do if they feel they've been exposed to the coronavirus. However, do not travel to the doctor's office, because that will inevitably infect more people. Nevertheless, remember to wash your hands. This is a simple concept that only takes 20 seconds. The CDC recommends that we not touch our face, eyes, mouth, or nose with unwashed hands. But this is a global pandemic, so this really is the most convenient and healthiest way to prevent others from contracting this disease. Also, please stay informed about what to do, what's transpiring, and what you need to know. There is lots of misinformation out there, so please get your news from a reliable news source. Oh, and don't stock up on masks. It's great to have the inclination that you're prepared for this. But if you're hoarding masks, then how are our emergency officials and health officials supposed to function? Instead, stock up on food and essential items. When I say stock up on food, I don't mean take everything. You should take what you need and be considerate of others. During this chaotic pandemic, if you have children, buy some movies, help them with their school packets, and most importantly, do not panic. Think about it. If you start to panic, you are not thinking clearly. Once you begin to panic, it will indicate signs of stress and chaos. This is the time to be as calm as possible. Sit down with your kids and explain this pandemic to them at their appropriate age level, so that they can comprehend the information and know how to handle this. At this time, we as a nation and as the world should be coalescing and lifting people up. In the meantime, stay informed, stay healthy, and stay prepared.